Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a skeleton surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our skull surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to take my paper, I'm going to line up the corners, and I'm going to give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to take my paper, I'm going to fold it one more time, giving it another nice fold down the middle. So it's kind of like a bookmark. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper like this so I can open it up for the surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin right here with our skull. So I'm going to start by making a little line that comes up here, and a little line that comes right up here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve around. It's going to go over and come back down. Next, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down. I'm going to come over and up like this. It's going to kind of look like a mushroom. Now, next I'm going to draw a line across for the mouth. Then for the nose, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go up and down, kind of like a little triangle. Then I'm just going to make two little bumps underneath it. Now for the eyes, I'm going to draw a big oval shape like this, and then I'm going to make another big oval shape right over here. Then I'm going to draw a little line in here, and then a little line right in here, just to make it look a little bit more 3D. Then I'm going to make two little eyebrows right above it. Now once we have our skull drawn, we want to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open it up, we have two halves of our skull, and we want to make this look like a bunch of skulls. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start here, and I'm going to bring this line up a little bit on each side. Then I'm going to make a big curved line that just comes around and over to here. Now I want to make a big mouth in here. So I'm going to start right here by drawing a great big smiley face. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, over, and then up. I'm going to draw a little curved line on each end. Then right here, I'm going to make a big circle for an eye. And then over here, I'm going to make like a winky eye. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go over and then back. Then we'll make a little curve here. Right here, I'll make a line that goes up and down for the nose, with two little bumps underneath it. Then I'm going to draw a couple little lines on here just to make it look a little bit more like a skeleton. And then I'm going to draw two lines that come down here. Now let's make another one over here. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve around like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and in. And one more here, it's going to go down just like this. Right here, I'm going to make a tall oval shape with a little line down. Then I'm going to make a little angle, and then a big circle shape like this, with another little line down. I'm going to make a small triangle shape for the nose, and I'm going to make a line across like this with a few lines going on here for some teeth. Now right here, let's make another one. I'm going to draw a big oval shape like this. Then I'm going to make a line that goes down to here, and then one down to here. Right here, I'll make a nice tall oval shape for the eye, and we'll put another one of those little curves in. Then I'll make a little sad face for like a wink. I'll make like a little circle for the nose, or oval. And then we'll give it some little kissy lips like this. And we'll draw a little heart over here next to it. Now, over here, let's make another one. So I'm going to begin by making another oval shape. I'm going to bring this down, and then I'm going to bring this down and then up. This one, I'm going to draw a line down, and then a line down kind of at an angle. And then we'll make two more angle lines like this. Then I'll draw two curved lines here, and two curved lines here. Another one here, and another one here. Then we'll make two eyebrows like this. An oval for the nose. And then a line across, so it's kind of like a suspicious one. Now, right over here, I'll make another oval shape. Then I'll bring this line down and then over. I'm going to make this a cool skull. So let's draw a straight line across. I'm going to go in just a little bit on each side. Then I'm going to go down on each side. We'll come over on each side. Then we'll make a little triangle shape. Then I'm going to draw two diagonal lines here and two diagonal lines here. We'll draw an oval for the nose. And then a smile with a couple little lines on here. Now let's put another one over here. So I'm going to make another oval shape like this. And then I'm going to draw a little line down here. This one I'm going to give some heart eyes. So I'm going to draw two heart shapes in here. We'll do a little circle for the nose. And then we'll make a line that's just going to curve down and around like this with another one here. And we'll draw some little lines on here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and this line down. Connect it right there. And I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up and down here. And then I'll draw a few little lines on here with another little line up. And there you go. There is your drawing of a skull surprise fold. So when I have it all folded up, I just have a simple skull. And then when I open it, we can see there's a bunch of skulls popping out of there. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.